Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to do a hair mask for curly hair. Let's begin. So we're going to start with 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of blue agave. You can use honey if you choose, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then we're going to mix it up. I decided to put my hair in sections and put it in like that. Make sure you put a lot on the roots and definitely at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit more in there just to make sure every piece of hair has all of this mask on it. Alright, now I'm going to tie it up and I'll see you guys back in a minute. I love how this turned out. It's very soft, very fluffy, and very curly, and I love it. We'll definitely try this again and again and again. Now I'm going to put some aloe vera in my hair. This is what I usually do. This is one of my steps to my hair. So, just going to fluff it. Put some more on the bottom. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and I will definitely see you back with another video coming soon. Bye-bye.